Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka-Unified District Information System for Education, kadai kaway nakibenta badon kambha ban pendap da baro ki skul. Nakabenta ban yo jing itu akhmat katanat puli puthi jong ka sarkar India, kumju hakatanat puli puthi jong ka sarkar jilla. Kumta ka thong ban pendap ya ki UDISE plus form ki babiang bat ki bayahap kat kum badai ban pendam. Kaying tray kam jong ka District Mission Coordinator SSA West Jaintia Hills, hakashitarik uyayong Hagajing penyat District Program SSA West Jaintia Hills, kala penlong ya kajing ajing hikai basisngi, yaki BRP, CRP, DEO, MIS bat IE volunteer, halor ki benta bayadai bat ka UDISE. Yakani kajing ajing hikai la penlong hayung wali ka dorbas nong lumperdi yong pia, hakaba uba RLB Misuwer District Program SSA West Jaintia Hills, ula batay benya syapang ki benta jang ka UDISE. Banlat na kinu-kinu ki jingthot jingwet hadian habon, uba bisuwer ula kentu ya barok ki head teacher, neki principal jong ki school, ban benyak bha, haswa ban pendap ya kinu-kinu ki benta ke UDISE plus form. Ukmi lenti baleng ba ke jingetre lang naduk ki head teacher, principal ki BRP, CRP, DEO, MIS bat ki wei, ki badai benta jong ke district, onlak ban pendep ya ke UDISE plus hapok kapor balabu. Bat kabalat na kanu ka jingthut jingwen kumbajulong hakisnem baladem.
Yes, classes and number of children taught together in single classroom. Use comma indicate for classes for children. Nijuman, the school wa hikai hichu classroom. Ya elementary class. Ma, the Monday yes. Learning in the school are attending special training, yes or no? To do